What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about My Banking Direct. My Banking Direct is an online banking platform offered by Flagstar Bank. It provides a range of financial services including a high-yield savings account, prepaid benefit card, and mobile banking capabilities. As an online-only bank, My Bank Direct aims to offer competitive interest rates and convenient digital banking tools to its customers. Now, let's take a look at some of its features. My Banking Direct High Yield Savings Account offers a competitive annual percentage yield of 5.55%. This account allows you to earn higher interest rates on your savings without compromising access to your funds, helping you reach your financial goals faster. By opening a high-yield savings account, you can take advantage of the high interest rates and grow your savings more efficiently. My Banking Direct's direct checking account provides a low-cost and accessible banking solution. You can open this account with just $1, making it easy to get started. The account does not have any monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or insufficient funds fees, ensuring a cost-effective banking experience. Additionally, the direct checking account offers the convenience of online and mobile banking, allowing you to manage your account easily and securely. My Banking Direct's online banking platform offers a range of convenient features. You can access your accounts whenever and wherever you want, providing flexibility and accessibility to your financial information. The online banking services also include e-statements and e-documents, reducing paper clutter and enhancing convenience. Furthermore, you can stay informed about your account activity with mobile alerts and notifications, keeping you updated on important transactions and account changes. My Banking Direct's mobile banking app provides a seamless and secure banking experience. You can quickly check your account balance through the Instant Balance feature, allowing you to stay on top of your finances. The app also offers enhanced security measures such as fingerprint and Face ID authentication, ensuring the safety of your financial information. Additionally, you can conveniently deposit checks using the mobile check deposit feature, eliminating the need to visit a physical bank branch. My Banking Direct offers a prepaid benefits card for receiving state-issued payments. This card is designed in partnership with State to provide a simple and easy-to-use debit card format for accessing government-issued funds. Customers can manage their prepaid benefit cards through the mobile app, allowing for easy tracking and control of their government-issued payments. Now, let's talk about some of its potential drawbacks. The interest rates offered by My Banking Direct are variable, which means they can change without notice. This uncertainty can be a drawback for customers who rely on a fixed rate for their financial planning. Although the current APY of 5.55% is competitive, there is no guarantee that it will remain the same in the future. This could lead to a decrease in the rate, potentially affecting the growth of the customer's savings. The high-yield savings account at My Banking Direct has tiered rate structures based on the daily balance. To earn the highest APY of 5.55%, the daily balance must be $50,000 or more. This means that customers with lower balances may not be able to take full advantage of the competitive rate. Additionally, the minimum balance to open this account is $500, which could be a barrier for some customers. As an online-only bank, My Banking Direct does not have physical branches. This can be a drawback for customers who prefer to conduct their banking in person or need immediate assistance from a bank representative. Although the bank offers online and mobile banking services, some customers may still prefer the convenience of visiting a branch for certain transactions or to resolve issues. My Banking Direct offers a compelling suite of digital banking services, including a high-yield savings account, direct checking, and a prepaid benefit card. With competitive interest rates, convenient online and mobile features, and a focus on affordable banking, My Banking Direct provides an attractive option for modern customers seeking efficient digital-first banking experience. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.